Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let's thank to God. With His grace, we can gather on the opportunity even this morning. Thank you for the opportunity has given us to make this presentation in ICCD Conference 2021. Our team community services are Dr. Mafizatun, Dr. Nurul Hidayah, Mr. Ahmad Badawi from University Mercu Buana, and also Dr. Zamri Ahmad as an external team from University Science Malaysia. Our title is Digital Application Usage to Manage Family Business in Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises, North Kembangan, West Jakarta. Before we start this presentation, I will read out presentation content of introduction, objective, solution, and target, method of community activity, result, and discussion. And the last is the conclusion and suggestion. Let's begin with the first presentation. The COVID-19 pandemic has dramatically affected the Indonesian economy. This condition exacerbated for micro business economic condition as a report by the United Nations Development Programme or UNDP and the University of Indonesia Institute for Economic and Social Research. The findings of this report are that women entrepreneurs who generally have unequal access to finance also experience a decline. At the figure, in some of the owners' gender, most of micro, small, medium enterprises were owned by women, totally 50.7%. Micro business 62% are more prominently represented than male-owned micro business. Next, as a micro business, they will be wise in managing income and expense. However, most women in micro business experience difficulty in managing their finance because they do not know how to manage money and control their desire or passion. Coding Budiantoro et al. 2019. Financial planning is needed to regulate activity related to financial management. The objective of the community service is give them problem solving to cover consumption expense, where the condition arises because of an imbalance between income and expenditure and ignorance of financial arrangement. The reality this day is that not all of small business use cloud accounting software or application to make day-to-day accounting tasks much easier, but majority using manual to record revenue, sales, and expenditure. They didn't know accounting software application can be a perfect solution for small business to make sure all their accounting record and tax obligation are met. Solution and target to increase insight and understanding how to manage family business, especially micro business, to increase knowledge how to use digital application to record revenue and expenditure. The method of activity carried out is basically a participatory method and presentation, and then the implementation method. The initial stage is to analyze the situation and problem faced by micro business, and second stage are seminar and counseling method. Material uses are literature media, flyer, social media, PowerPoint, assistant was provided through learning between theory and practice. Program activity include provide knowledge in thinking how to manage business finance, providing idea for changes to be able to use application and smartphone to record expense and income. And then the third is provide input and solution to the problem faced by micro, small, medium enterprises financial management. This is the application that can be used for small business. The name is Akuntansi UKM. We can we can find in smartphone by the application. Result and discussion. In terms of education, the majority of participants are senior high school, which is 48% of the participants, but they concerned to improve the welfare of their business. Instructor provided material and discussed how to manage MSME business was sustainable. The material consists of knowledge of financial management, include recording all of the transactions that can be done through the software contained in the App Store application on the smartphone like UKM accounting. Furthermore, practice how to operate the UKM accounting and Q&A discussion with the participant. And then the last is conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion, overall, the joint community event was welcomed by the participant consisting of micro, small, medium enterprises business owner. The participant very enthusiastic and interactive discussion with the speaker. This training activity were very useful. There were many new things that were obtained and learned during the activity. Interesting training material are delivered, so the participants were interested in following through the completion. And then the suggestion is proposed for further community service activity. This community services activity can be carried out for a wider target with a greater number of participants that they have ability to manage SME financial. This is the presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.